Alright, so we're getting rid of this light fixture right here, and we're gonna put in a chandelier with a winch so that they can bring it down so they can clean it anytime. But I just wanted to show you guys some of the processes that are involved for if you want this at your house. Just know we're gonna have to do the same setup, same thing, but just so you guys see what's going on. Alright, so this is what the motor looks like once it's been installed. You know, obviously you got these supports right here, and then that's it. It's right on top of the hole. Yep, it comes with a remote control. Whoa. Oh, that's nice, man. This is... You're taller than me, right? We're tall.